Imagine a world where you replace every sip of water with fizzy, sugary Coke. Sounds wild, right? But what would happen to your body if this became your daily reality? Would you survive? Would you thrive? Or would your body rebel in ways you can't imagine? Let's dive in to uncover the truth. When you first swap water for Coke, your taste buds might rejoice. The fizz, the sweetness, and the caffeine kick feel amazing. But beneath the surface, your body starts reacting differently. Dehydration begins. Coke contains caffeine, which is a mild diuretic. It can cause your body to lose more water through urine. Blood sugar spike. One can of Coke has about 39 grams of sugar. Drinking that much sugar triggers a sharp insulin spike, giving you an energy boost. Acid attack. Coke's acidity pH 2.5 starts affecting your teeth, beginning the erosion process. A week into this experiment, your body is already struggling. Constant thirst. Despite drinking Coke, your body remains thirsty. Why? Because it doesn't hydrate like water. In fact, the caffeine and sugar worsen dehydration. Weight gain. By now, you've consumed thousands of extra calories. Even with exercise, this leads to weight gain. Fatty liver. Begins. The high fructose corn syrup in Coke burdens your liver, starting the process of fat buildup. Mood swings. Sugar highs and crashes make you irritable and tired. 1 month in, and the effects are no longer just visible. They're dangerous. Severe dehydration. Water is vital for cellular function. Without it, your skin becomes dry, your brain functions slower, and your energy plummets. Kidney damage. Your kidneys work overtime to filter the sugar and acids, risking long-term damage. Bone weakness. The phosphoric acid in Coke pulls calcium from your bones, increasing the risk of fractures. Now imagine doing this for years. What happens to your body then? Spoiler, it's not pretty. Chronic diseases. Long-term Coke consumption leads to diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Dental catastrophe. By now, tooth enamel is completely eroded, and cavities are rampant. Organ failure. Prolonged dehydration and sugar overload lead to kidney and liver failure. Brain fog. Dehydration affects memory and cognitive abilities. It's not just your body that suffers. Your mental health and relationships take a hit too. Addiction to sugar. Coke's sugar and caffeine are addictive, making it hard to quit. Social embarrassment. Bad breath, stained teeth, and weight gain affect your confidence. Financial strain. Drinking Coke daily is far more expensive than water. Here's the shocking truth. Water is irreplaceable. Your body is 60% water, and every system relies on it. Without water, survival becomes impossible. Drinking Coke instead of water will lead to death within a few months due to organ failure. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy a Coke, but moderation is the key. Water is life, and while Coke can be a treat, it should never replace water. So, what if you drank Coke instead of water? The answer is clear. It's a recipe for disaster. Your body would suffer, your health would decline, and survival would be impossible. Water is the true elixir of life. So next time you're thirsty, think twice before reaching for that can of Coke.